right, well, another beautiful day here in PA. It's pushing about 70 degrees right now. So I'm gonna try to step away from the bottom bait, see if we can get them on a spinner bait here, moving bait. If I can't get anything on this, I'll try a bottom bait again, whether it be a tube or a crawl or a jig of some sorts, but really hoping we can get them on a moving bite now. And make a few casts here at the river, then pop over to Penge Creek, see what's going on over there too. Well, I'll see if anything's going on over there yet. It's only a matter of time before they start pushing up into the creeks too. There we go. Musky. Baby musky. Right at the bank. He's going crazy. Not what I was expecting for my first catch today, but I'll take that. It's caught in a bush here. All right, Musky is free. There we go. Thanks, man. I was not expecting that right here. Little baby Musky, yeah. First, I thought that was a smallie that hammered it. These spinnerbaits are actually a unique design. I'll pop up what they are right now. They actually have this limber blade here on this. It's a wire, actual like cable wire here, which is kind of different. It stands out from a lot of other spinner baits. I tried them last year. I really liked them. I guess the company wasn't making them anymore. Then they started making them again. So I'll have to check them out and give them a try for yourself. But I'm a big fan of them for sure. Evidently, so are the muskies right now. Well, at least one muskie. I am. How's it going, man?
Good. How is it going for you? I haven't caught anything today.
Not yet? Did you just get here?
Well, like half an hour ago.
Nice.
I don't really know what to use either. I'm using this crawl now.
That's definitely a good place to start. I'm trying a spinnerbait. I don't know if that's going to work, but I caught some the other day on a crawl.
I watch your videos and subscribe.
I appreciate that, man. Thank you. It's always nice to meet the folks that follow the channel. Again, thank you all for your support. I can't say that enough. No, that's fine.
He's a big fan, watches all your YouTube videos.
I told him, I said I appreciate it.
Looks good. Thank you.
Of course, man. I hope you catch something. All right, last cast here, and I think I'm gonna try Penge Creek out. If not, I'll come back to the river and try a jig. But so far, spinnerbait caught me that musky, as you guys saw, but I don't know, maybe I gotta drag a crawl, drag a tube or something. Let's go try the creek, and if nothing's happening there, we'll come back here to the river. All right, fingers crossed. There's some smallmouth in the creek now. I'm gonna start with that spinnerbait. I also have a tube I can drag too. There we go. Fish on. Smallie out of the creek. Yes. That's a great sign. Didn't want the spinnerbait, but he took the tube here. Heck yeah, first Penns Creek smallie of the year. We'll take it. Thanks for the fight, bud. There's definitely got to be more in here. I've been waiting all year for this. They come in waves too, so like the bigger ones will come, small males. I'm assuming that was a small male, not really sure. That is a great sign. Another one. Nope. A trigger happy. It's a stick. All right, let's go try another spot in the creek. See if there's any there. I'm guessing in the next couple days there'll be more and more and keep pushing up through. All right, I'm gonna try this spot again, but with a tube this time instead of the spinnerbait. I stopped at a few spots at the creek, but I only found that one there. So I'm sure as the week continues to warm up here, there should be a lot more pushing up in the creek. Till then, got the beautiful Susquehanna. All right, I'm gonna try this spot one more time. Like I said, trying with the tube now. And if I don't catch anything here, I'm gonna go do some editing and we'll try again tomorrow. Just keep this video going. And there's one tube down. Oh, that's a fish. I think I was stuck for a second. Oh, what a pleasant surprise. Said I'm almost certain I was snagged on a rock. I don't know if he got me off or it popped off and he grabbed it. There we go, another smallie on the tube. Thanks for the fight, bud. Oh, somebody's fishing line. Come on. Oh, I got it. There's a lure on there. Well, I guess that's bittersweet because I can clean up the fishing line out of the river. It's definitely not my line. That looks like some blue trilene or something. I'd freak if there was a fish at the end of it. What is it? It is somebody's jig. Look at that. Got a jig. There's no plastic on it. Somebody's just fishing a naked jig here. It's a weak line too. Alright guys, well I'm gonna end the video here, but not a bad day. Caught one creek smallmouth, one river smallie, and a little baby muskie. But stay tuned because the videos are just going to get more and more action packed as it starts warming up here. But again, thank you guys for all the support. I'll see you guys soon. Stay fishing, stay anchored.